Hey, blockchain user. So Jerome Powell has just announced that he will cut the interest rate in the near future, which is a good news, or rather, it's perceived as a good news. For me, I don't trade the news, and the way I see it is basically that it just confirms what we already knew. With the charts, we have been bullish for a while, ever since we got that low, and even more when we got this retest here of the 0.5 fib level. I've been bullish. I've been saying, all right, we're going up, and this news is just like kind of a cherry on top for me. It doesn't change anything. But the way people think is basically those who were bearish are saying like, ah, I was right, but then Powell screwed my plan, and they will blame him. On the other hand, those that were already bullish are just like, haha, I was right, and they just kind of use it to justify themselves. But for me, I just stick to the chart. It doesn't really matter what is the news. All that matters is we got a lot of powerful signal here that the low was in, and then we went up, we got a correction, but it was above our 0.5 fib level, meaning all this time we were still in a bullish position. So basically, stick to the chart, it just works. Trying to predict the news, it's just a fool's game. So this video is quite time sensitive, so if you have not put the bell notification, I recommend you do. I won't show that too often, but honestly right now we are testing the resistance at 63k, and it looks like Bitcoin is about to pierce above it. Now if it does, we can expect a potential explosive move to the upside, maybe a few percent, 3 to 4% higher. If not, well, there are a bunch of layer resistance, which I will talk in a few moments. But before that, if we are rejected here, which is possible, then this means we have a double top in play. The first level of support would be the 0.5 fib level, and perhaps even more quickly, we have a bunch of old tops here. So around 62k, we could see support, else up to 59k and a half. Those are the price level where we could see support. Now, resistance is very tricky right now. There are so many all over the place. So I expect choppy market action as we move above. First, there is this price level here at 64k, and then we have just so many layers everywhere. Because basically, this is one of my rules. When there is selling in the past, it is likely to repeat because history repeats both in real life and in the market. The next big top that I could think of is this one that sticks out here around 55k and a half. So as you can see, there are many more. I'm not even mentioning all of them. There are old bottoms here which can act as new tops. Same here. There's a bunch everywhere. And not just that, in the past we saw a lot of choppy market action here and here, and again, history repeats. So if we saw a lot of turning around here and here, well, when we go into this price level, we will likely see choppy market action once again. It's always fun to see some bullish action, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Anyway, do the thing with the YouTube buttons. I will see you next time.